Welcome. In the world of artificial intelligence, two terms are often used interchangeably, but they are not the same: machine learning and deep learning. In this video, we will break down exactly what the difference is, how they work, and when to use which. First, let's look at the hierarchy to understand where everything fits. Think of it like Russian nesting dolls. Artificial intelligence is the big container. It covers any technique that enables computers to mimic human intelligence. Machine learning is a subset inside AI. And deep learning? It is a specialized subset inside machine learning. So, all deep learning is machine learning, but not all machine learning is deep learning. Machine learning is all about algorithms that can learn from data without being explicitly programmed for every single rule. Instead of writing code that says, if this, then that, you feed the algorithm data, and it finds the patterns itself. Common examples include spam filters in your email or the recommendation engine on Netflix. Deep learning takes this a step further. It is inspired by the biological structure of the human brain. It uses artificial neural networks with many layers, hence the word deep. These layers of nodes allow the computer to solve much more complex problems, like recognizing faces or understanding spoken language. Here is the most critical difference. In traditional machine learning, a human expert usually has to define the features. For example, if you want to recognize a car, you have to tell the computer to look for wheels and windows. In deep learning, you skip this step. You just feed it raw images, and the neural network automatically learns what features are important: edges, shapes, and textures, all on its own. Another major difference is how they handle data size. Traditional machine learning algorithms often plateau. Adding more data after a certain point doesn't help much. Deep learning is different. It is data hungry. Its performance continues to improve as you feed it massive amounts of data. If you have a small dataset, deep learning is usually overkill and might perform worse. Because deep learning involves complex mathematical matrix operations, it demands heavy computing power. While standard machine learning can often run on a regular laptop CPU, deep learning typically requires high-performance graphical processing units, or GPUs, to run efficiently. This complexity affects time. Training a deep learning model can take days or even weeks because it is tuning millions of parameters. Traditional machine learning models might train in just a few minutes or hours. However, once trained, both are usually quite fast at making predictions. There is a trade-off for all that power. Machine learning is generally more transparent. We can often see why a decision was made. Deep learning is often called a black box. Because the data passes through so many layers of abstraction, it is very difficult for humans to trace exactly why the network gave a specific answer. To wrap up, choose machine learning if you have limited data, need a quick solution, or need to explain your results clearly. Choose deep learning if you have massive amounts of data, access to powerful hardware, and need to solve highly complex perception problems like image or speech recognition. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.